Hey friends, if you wish to clear the RAM cache in your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now here's the thing, here's the interesting thing. It's being discussed a lot that there is some software that they're selling to clear RAM. It's called, I think, RAM map. Don't use it. Because what does it even mean by erasing the RAM cache? RAM is the random access memory. It's a volatile memory. It only stores data when a device is turned on. It only stores data when you're working on it. So there is nothing like clearing the RAM cache. Clearing the RAM cache basically means restarting your computer. So if you really want to clean the RAM cache, then right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.